fun. Go through the mountains. Very
Oh,
scenic.
butter.
Go in the back country. There's the front runner. Front runner.
This front runner. So swell. Look at that, so long.
Heading cross country.
Yep.
Gonna go up into the mountains. Picking up speed.
Wow. So loud, huh?
There's a sign over there that says, look. You're supposed to look both ways. A lot of cars don't.
Yep.
What if this one finished and another one comes from the other way? They need that extra chip I needed.
Woohoo!
Hot?
What's that? Look like a small.
I don't know, cold maybe?
Maybe that.
It's a pretty powerful engine. It pulls all that.
Yep.
Imagine trying to pull that pickup truck.
Huh.
There were 3 engines in the front though. Working
Yep,
together.
that's why. So
And
long.
there's probably an engine in the back.
Yep. Look at the traffic there. So long that
A lot of people way back behind us, they turn around and go the other way. White ones look like gas,
yeah.
natural gas. I'm gonna fall asleep right there. Another front runner.
Wow, a butter.
Already went by.
May not see that.
RJ saw it.
I'm sweating.
Be quiet now.
Yep, have no more noise.
Feel it, RJ?
Yeah. Just wait there, RJ. Wow, so long.
Wow.
5 minutes now.
Garbage looks like metal pieces.
Yeah.
When they tore a building down, that's what's in this. Scrap metal. Oh, here we go.
Hey, the end. 5 minutes and how much?
I don't know.
37 seconds. Yeah, done.